Morning, everybody. How's everybody today? Hope y'all doing good. I'm doing well. I'm gonna do a little paint job. We'll see how it works out. But I've got the Camry here, and I just wiped the bumper down to clean it off. I'm gonna coat it with a quick coat of color matched paint for the car. Apparently paint is hard to get right now, the color match stuff, what I was going to use, so I'm not going to paint the whole car. I'm just going to paint the bumper and see how it goes, and paint the front bumper and probably call it good. But that's it basically. I've got the title switched over to my name, which was, I wasn't expecting to get it back this soon. I just did it late last week and it already came in the mail early this week. So I got that done. I'm gonna do a little paint today. And I've got, this is the radio. So I'll show you what, it's missing a radio when I bought it. Bam, so just a big hole right there, but I'm gonna put that radio in. I did get the car detailed. I don't know if I told you that, but yeah. And then I'm gonna put it up for sale hopefully today, after I get it painted, and yeah, see how it rings. So I'll take you with me with the paint and the radio install. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and I can get it knocked out this morning and post it online for sale later today. And yes, I know this is absolutely not how professional painting would go, but for the car, it's gonna work. Okay, so I put one coat on, and you can definitely tell a little difference, but it's not, I think once it dries, it's actually gonna match pretty well. I mean, not to the point where it's gonna look like it was a black bumper like it was before, so. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that to the front too. Cool. Well, that's good, I guess. I'm gonna do another quick coat to the back here. Coat 2. I think it's done on the back. I'm gonna turn the car around and do the front. Okay, the paint is drying. I think I'm gonna have to go get another can and go over it again. So that will come later. But now I'm gonna unbox the radio. All right, that is it. I think it should match up. Oh, there we go. At the antenna, maybe. Those are the two plugs for the speakers and stuff, I believe. So we'll see. All right, so there's that. There's that. Looks like the same, right? All right. So I'm going to put the radio in. I don't know. I don't want to break this, but it may have to be broken. So I don't think. All right, got it in. Missing a knob, so the volume's kind of a jank, but overall, this thing's missed. The clips don't hold well on this, but so when you open this, sometimes she pops out. But overall, it works. So that's the main thing, right? I think so. So next on the list is get more paint. Yes, get more paint, which you'll see in this video probably, and then get it gone, get it sold. Oh, there we go. Hey everybody, so this is a new day, but the car is done. So I don't think I actually showed a full, hey, here's what the car looked like after I got it done and painted. So here it is. So painted the bumper. It rained last night. I did put a coat over the top of the trunk here. You can kind of see where the it was faded and stuff. It looked like that, which I think the clear coat's just gone. So I had a little extra, so I put a coat over that. Didn't do anything on this side. Did the hood. So you can kind of tell where, because it's new and it's got water still on it. Did the hood, did the bumper, and honestly, like, it came out pretty good. I was gonna sand this down and just ultimately decided that was gonna be too much time to do that. And it doesn't, to be honest, like, for the price I'm selling this for, it didn't make sense to put that much time and effort into it rather than just paint over it and get it looking decent. Because the coat of paint, like, game changer for what it was. If I had more paint, I would have painted the roof, because that still looks a little rough, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get this thing sold as soon as I can and get it out of here. I did not paint the mirror. That was last priority, and I didn't want to start and not have enough, so ultimately ended up stopping and did not do that. But that's the car. I think it turned out pretty well, to be honest. I put a sweet steering wheel cover on, and the car's locked, but oh, can you see it? Oh man. Well, either way, the radio went in, works, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace right now. I've had one person interested in it, so we'll see what happens, but the plan is to get that thing sold ASAP and get this flag fixed. Oh, one more. There we go. Fly. All right. So, again, thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting. Once I get this sold, I'm gonna get something else. I don't know. It's November, early November, so I don't know if I'll do it try to do it before the holidays because things are going to get real busy coming up just with the holidays. So it might be after the beginning of the year, but the videos are going to keep coming. It just may not be a car fix up video for a while.